On this week's edition of the most Italian thing ever, we have this Casablanca Panama 5 in polished brass. Manufactured January 29th, 1991. It was a 222nd fan made that day. It has the Fabbian light kit that sometimes is found on the California Zephyr. That alone is just a very Italian looking light kit. Plus you have these shades on which are even more Italian than the jazz hands, I think. Antique oak and then polished brass. So yeah, just makes for a very 90s Italian themed fan. But I like it. I guess probably because I'm, part Italian, so it would make sense. So anyways, yeah, second of the two that I got recently for free. Both of them are very clean units. I don't know, I just want to start the video with the light on because, the glass is actually really cool. So yeah, these fans came 100% complete, controls and everything. So that was pretty cool. It's in airplane mode. What the heck? Whatever, I'll deal with it, I guess. Hopefully I don't get any messages. That doesn't look good. There we go. Alright. So let's do demo mode. Oh, I think I had the light on for my Instagram pic too. Yeah, so these were taken down I'm guessing they were taken down or parts got swapped around between the two because this one originally had the K3D on it with high gloss pointed tip oak, and high gloss pointed tip oak was discontinued in 1990, I believe, was the last year for it. I think 91 was the first year for rounded tip, and this light kit was on the other Panama, which I don't think it's likely was even out at that time. I think the first year was 1989 for it, when the California Zephyr came out. Or no, California Zephyr came out in 88. I guess it's possible this was original to that fan, being in 87, but I don't know for sure. So, let's go through general settings now, starting on speed 1. I don't have my light on. Why is that? I am very sleep deprived, as you can tell. Go speed 2. One of these days I'm going to go out and buy some warm white bulbs for my testing fixture. Maybe. What do I have in there now? Cool white? Yeah, cool white. See if that makes anything work better. If not, I guess I'll return on. Go to speed 3. Speed 4. Speed 5. And speed 6. K55 airflow as usual. Actually, almost seems like slightly less or slightly more. And let's do spin down. Bearings on this one were a little better than the other one. The other one was kind of hissy. This one pretty quiet though. Yeah, I actually really think the swirl design is kind of cool. Alright, well there's my Casablanca Panama 5. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.